Hi, in this video we're going to learn how to make a custom widget and place it on our course homepage. Now our homepage already has some widgets here. It's got calendar, an announcement, these are tool widgets, and we've also got the land acknowledgement, that's a system widget, but now we're going to create our own custom widget that's going to have a copy of OCanada in it. So you can put anything in a custom widget, links to different things, but I thought I'd do a demonstration of how to do a YouTube video in a custom widget. So let's get started. We'll go to Course Admin and then Widgets. And we'll click Create Widget. Very logical so far. I'm going to give it a name. That's a compulsory field. In Brightspace, whenever there's an asterisk, it's a compulsory field. Now the description is not compulsory. We can leave that blank. That's not where we're going to put our video. Our video is going to go over here on the content page. That's kind of the main point at which people trip up in this exercise. So now we see the familiar, what you see, the WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get editor with all of the different buttons and controls. We're going to go here to the Insert Stuff button. Now you see an option for YouTube, but the tool isn't working correctly right now, so I use the Enter Embed code instead. And it's good for YouTube or anything else out there on the internet that you would like to embed and place into a custom widget. Right, so we're going to leave that ready to go, and I'm going to go over to my video. Now this particular one has a long introduction, and then the actual anthem starts, sung beautifully by a young woman who's singing it in the Cree language. So when I'm clicking share, I go to embed, and then I select the start at. This particular video starts at the 1 minute 27 second mark is where the singing starts. So if the video that you want, you're taking it right from the beginning, you can skip this step, but this is for when you have a custom start and you need to let it know start playing at a specific point in time. And now we'll just click copy and head over here back to Brightspace, right click and paste. And I can see I've been successful. Notice how it says start at 87, so that's at the 87 second mark. It's coming in. Now one other wee thing about videos in widgets in Brightspace, so that this is a pretty big size. If you're going to be using a widget that goes on one of the side panels of your homepage, you need to make it a bit smaller. So without touching any of the other magical stuff that's going on in here, I'm just going to change the width to 300, and I'm going to change the height to 180. Those are the standard dimensions that will fit neatly into a side panel widget in Brightspace. I'm going to go next, and there's a preview of my wee copy of OCanada, and click insert, and there it is. I can test it out here by clicking on preview, and you can do that in anything you create in Brightspace, making sure that, yep, it starts with the anthem at the 127 mark. I'm going to go close, save and close, and I've made my widget. But right now the widget's just sitting here in a list of all of my custom widgets. I want to get it onto my course homepage. Back out onto the course homepage I go, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom right hand side looking for these 3 ellipses that say Homepage Actions menu. I'm going to click Edit this homepage and add widgets. I'm going to search for the new, spelling it correctly, the new widget that I just made, and I'm going to tick beside it to select it and then click Add. And I can rearrange things here however I'd like, and I'm not locked in. I can come and edit this again at any time and add widgets and do all sorts of magic. So for now, save and close. There we go. There's our properly proportioned widget here on our course homepage ready for opening exercises.